The future of AI and jobs isn't far off. It's already here, reshaping work in real time. Forget the sci-fi images of robot armies. The real change is subtle and widespread. Software now handles tasks once done only by people, from customer service chatbots to automated data entry. These AI systems work around the clock, managing thousands of interactions and processing information at speeds no human can match. The first wave of AI isn't about wiping out entire professions overnight. Instead, it's automating the most predictable, repetitive parts of jobs, like scanning legal documents or scheduling social media posts. The jobs themselves remain, but their daily routines are being transformed. Human workers are left to focus on tasks that require judgment, creativity, or empathy. This shift is accelerating fast. Today's AI is far more capable than it was just a few years ago. As AI grows more sophisticated, it will take on an even broader range of tasks. This isn't a reason to panic, but it is a reason to pay attention. The ground is shifting beneath our feet, and ignoring it isn't an option. We need to understand what's happening and what it means for our careers. The question is no longer if AI will change our jobs, but how we'll adapt. The silent reshuffle is underway, and it's up to us to respond. The future of work is being written right now. Will you be ready to adapt? The time to pay attention is today. When we talk about automation, we often imagine entire industries disappearing, but AI doesn't target industries. It targets predictable, repetitive tasks wherever they are. If a task follows clear rules and patterns, it's a prime candidate for automation, whether it's in trucking, law, or healthcare. Take long-haul truck driving. The highway driving part is highly predictable, so self-driving trucks are being developed to handle it. In radiology, AI can scan millions of images to spot patterns, automating the initial analysis but not replacing the doctor's expertise. The real dividing line isn't blue-collar versus white-collar, it's routine versus unpredictable. A lawyer reviewing standard contracts is more at risk than a plumber solving unique problems in different homes. AI thrives on repetition and data, not on jobs that require improvisation or hands-on problem-solving. Understanding this helps us see the future of work more clearly. The more routine your tasks, the more likely they'll be automated. But if your work is unpredictable, creative, or deeply human, you're in a stronger position. AI is about automating the predictable, not replacing the irreplaceable. The future of work will be shaped by how much of your job can be broken down into rules and patterns. It's not about what you do, but how you do it. The predictability problem is the real story of AI and jobs. Adaptability and creativity are your best defenses. The safest jobs are those that machines can't easily define. The future belongs to the unpredictable. If AI excels at predictable tasks, what's left for people? Everything that isn't predictable. Humans shine where there are no clear rules, where context, emotion, and creativity matter. Critical judgment is a uniquely human skill. AI can analyze data, but it can't explain why trends happen or understand cultural shifts. Empathy is another human advantage. AI can mimic caring words, but it can't truly comfort a patient or connect on a personal level. Creativity, too, is more than remixing old ideas. AI can generate art or music, but it can't create from personal experience or deep emotion. These nonlinear skills, judgment, empathy, and creativity, are our anchor in an age of automation. Machines can process information, but only humans can make sense of it in a messy, unpredictable world. The most valuable work will always require a human touch. AI can assist, but it can't replace the spark of insight or the warmth of real connection. Our greatest strengths are found in the unpredictable. The future of work is human at its core. Judgment, empathy, and creativity will keep us essential. That's the human advantage. Which jobs are safest as AI advances? Those that blend logic, empathy, and creativity. Creative professionals, designers, writers, directors, thrive on collaboration, vision, and storytelling that AI can't replicate. Healthcare workers and teachers build trust, inspire, and adapt to individual needs. Skills rooted in empathy and communication. AI can assist, but it can't replace the human connection at the heart of healing and learning. Negotiators, leaders, and diplomats navigate complex social dynamics and make high-stakes decisions in ambiguous situations. These roles require reading unspoken cues, building relationships, and persuading others, far beyond AI's reach. The safest jobs are those where being human is the most important qualification. If your work relies on creativity, empathy, or strategic judgment, you're in a strong position. AI is a tool, not a replacement for these roles. The future belongs to those who blend logic with humanity. These are the jobs that endure. The story isn't just about AI taking jobs, it's about transforming them. Most jobs won't disappear, they'll evolve as AI becomes a powerful assistant. Think of the calculator. It didn't eliminate accountants, it freed them to focus on analysis and strategy. AI will do the same, handling repetitive tasks so humans can tackle higher-level challenges. Journalists will use AI to transcribe and analyze, freeing time for interviews and storytelling. Developers will let AI write basic code, focusing their energy on design and problem-solving. This is the age of augmentation, not just automation. The most interesting work will be what only humans can do: creativity, critical thinking, and social interaction. Adapting means learning new skills and new ways to collaborate with machines. The goal isn't to compete with AI, but to partner with it. Together, we can achieve more. How do we prepare for the AI-powered workforce? By doubling down on what makes us human. First, become AI literate. You don't need to be a coder, but understanding the basics will help you spot opportunities and avoid hype. Second, develop soft skills, communication, collaboration, and storytelling. These are the hard skills of the future. AI can process data, but it can't inspire a team or persuade an audience. Third, get better at defining problems, not just solving them. AI excels at clear, well-defined tasks, but humans are best at asking the right questions and framing challenges. Curiosity, systems thinking, and domain expertise will set you apart. The most valuable people will be those who can guide AI to solve the right problems. Focus on what AI can't do. Connect, communicate, and create meaning. Build a career that's resilient to automation by being more skillfully human. That's the path to thriving in the new economy. To succeed, we must see AI as a collaborator, not a competitor. The future of work is a partnership, humans delegating tasks to AI and combining its power with our insight. Learn to trust AI for certain tasks, but always apply your own judgment. Critical thinking is key. AI can make mistakes, or reflect biases in its data. Prompt engineering, asking AI the right questions, is a vital new skill. Communicate clearly with your digital colleagues, just as you would with human teammates. Let AI handle the repetitive work, so you can focus on strategy and creativity. The smartest professionals use the best tools available. In the 21st century, AI is one of those tools. Use it to amplify your strengths. As technology races ahead, it's easy to worry about the future of work. But history shows that new tools create new opportunities. Machines are just that, tools. Humans seek meaning, connection, and purpose. AI can optimize a process, but it can't feel pride, empathy, or wonder. The most enduring jobs will be those centered on meaning, caring for others, creating art, leading with ethics. These are not just jobs, they're callings that speak to our humanity. The path forward is to embrace technology as a tool that frees us to be more human. By automating the routine, AI lets us focus on what matters: empathy, creativity, and critical thought. The future of work will be defined by what machines can't do. For those willing to adapt and lean into their humanity, the future is bright. It's not something to fear, it's something to build, and it will always need us. As you reflect on this video, ask yourself, what part of my work could I teach in AI? And what part could only I bring to life? That single question might define your next decade. If this perspective expanded your thinking, the next one will transform it. The 100 trillion AI economy. Who owns the future? Subscribe now. We're decoding how AI is reshaping money, meaning, and human potential. The future isn't waiting, and neither should you. Subscribe now for our next episode, The 100 Trillion AI Economy. Who owns the future? Learn how to get ready for tomorrow's world of work.